Hi all, welcome back to the Testing Mentor. I have been noticing this trend lately. Every conference, every LinkedIn post, every YouTube short, people keep saying AI is going to take over testing. But let's take a pause and think. What does that really mean? Can AI actually write our test cases? Automate test execution? Debug flaky tests? And even tell us which areas of the application might break next? The truth is, AI isn't replacing testers, it's reshaping how we test. In this video, I'll walk you through how AI is actually being used in testing and automation right now, with practical examples that you can start using today. How about starting with something simple? Maybe test case generation? Yes, earlier we would sit for hours writing test cases manually. Login, forgot password, OTP flow, edge cases, and so on. Now, AI tools like ChatGPT, Testim can generate a complete set of test cases in seconds. You just type, write 10 test cases for login functionality, including OTP verification, and boom, you get all positive, negative, and boundary scenarios. But here's the catch: AI can generate, but it can't understand your business logic. So think of it as a junior QA who gives you a draft, and you bring the experience and domain knowledge to refine it. Next comes the self-healing automation. You know that feeling when your Selenium test fails because a developer changed an element's ID or class name. Painful, right? Tools like Healenium or Testim use AI to fix that problem automatically. When the locator changes, AI looks for similar attributes or nearby elements and heals your script dynamically. It's like your test suite saying, "Relax, I've got this." That's not science fiction, that's already happening today. The third use case would be AI for test optimization and selection. Imagine you have 10,000 automated tests running in your CI pipeline every night. Do you really need to run all 10,000 for a small front-end change? Probably not. Tools like Launchable use AI to study your past builds, failures, and commits. They predict which tests are most likely to fail based on recent code changes and only run those. This saves hours of build time and gives faster feedback for developers. In simple terms, AI helps you test smarter, not harder. Now, let's talk about visual testing. Traditional automation checks functionality, but what if the button is slightly misaligned or a banner overlaps the header? Selenium won't catch that. That's where AI powered tools like Applitools eyes come in. They use advanced computer vision to detect even a 1 pixel difference, something that's invisible to the naked eye. And in exploratory testing, AI tools now record your manual testing sessions, detect patterns, and even suggest untested areas. It's like having a silent QA assistant that's constantly observing how you test and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Then comes the test data, the part we often underestimate. Creating realistic test data manually is boring and time consuming. Tools like Tonic or Postman AI can automatically generate thousands of realistic data points while maintaining privacy and compliance. You can even ask Postman AI generate 10 edge case scenarios for this API, and it will suggest the exact payloads to test. AI helps us focus on testing logic, not wasting time creating dummy users and fake addresses. So, let's be honest, AI isn't here to replace testers. It's here to amplify what we do. The best testers will be those who understand how to work with AI, not compete against it. Just like automation didn't remove manual testing but made it smarter, AI is the next leap in how we build quality. So, if you are a QA or a SDET, start exploring these tools. Start experimenting, because the future of testing won't be manual versus automation, it will be AI assisted testing, and that future is already here. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, hit that like button and subscribe, because We are diving even deeper into real world QA and automation topics every week.